Hello, my friends. My name is Rick Billings, and I've been online since, like 1992. I've been building websites and WordPress for 15 plus years and blogging for quite a long time. And I have multiple sites out there and have several sites that have created me, multiple six figures over the years and stuff like that. And for the past, say, about 18 months or so, I've been looking for an AI tool that could assist me in blogging. And I finally found one. And I'm extremely excited to share this with you because I tell you what, although I've only been using it for a couple weeks now, it's seamless. It's seamless. It's amazing. The gentleman that programmed this is brilliant. I think he's borderline genius in what they've done. And I say that because to save you time. To give you an example, I just wrote 5 blog posts in 45 minutes, and it uploaded to the site and everything. All done automatically. Okay, from putting one keyword in to get multiple keywords, other 5 keywords, writing articles, the links, the metadata, the images, everything in 45 minutes. Scheduled to be posted once a day for the next 5 days. Okay, today and the next 5 days. And this right here is one of the articles, okay? It's just, it's an article that I wrote here. Out of the box from the article, I already have a 72 out of 100 rating with Rank Math. And it's got it embeds links in here. It does all your header 1s, header 2, header 3, header 4. It embeds images and so on. It actually does a link tree for you, and it will link them together. Okay. Now, I've done this. I've written probably 24 articles so far with this system. I've read through them. They are brilliant. Okay. This links with ChatGPT and the 3.5 level. So it costs me maybe about 20 cents each article or so, 25 cents an article. For the utilization of ChatGPT. So, and the images, I should say. It's, I couldn't like it. I'm loving this thing because it's so easy. So you can do 100, 200 articles at a time if you want to with this system, okay? You walk away. The beauty of it is it uses Google Sheets, okay? So here's Google Sheets right here. Here's the articles I just wrote right here. I come over here, just brief review because it has a very intensive training platform right here that trains you and everything on the whole thing and all the things you can download and stuff like that. But you put your keyword in here. It'll give you some more keyword ideas. How many headings do you want in your articles? I put 12 in the first one, then 8 in the rest of them. And then it takes and generates you the title. It comes up with the keywords, okay? The terms. Look at these terms right here. All these terms it puts in there, okay? It puts the heading outline. So here's all the different headings right here. I asked for 12 headings. That's the headings that are in this, okay? And then it comes over here and it writes the article. And then here's the article actually right there. That's the article I wrote, okay? And so I wrote 5 articles. It has the SEO metadata, the SEO meta description. It comes over here and it has the categories for you. It has the URL that it's embedding up here. You can actually put where you want it to click on, your money site, where they can order something from, okay? And then it has links throughout the interlink tree. Within the making a link tree within those 5 articles. You have your images here, okay, and it will create your images all through this little drop down here. It's really amazing. Then you come over here. This says done, but in your URL, you got your login and stuff like that into your site, okay, and then you tell it if you want it published, true or not, or if you want it scheduled, and over here then schedules them. So I have one scheduled for the next 4 days, and it schedules those posts. And if I come over here in my post right here, they're all sitting right here to be scheduled. Okay. And these are like 72, 76, 72, 70 out of the box without even tweaking it, without even going in there and tweaking some of the maybe adding a few more images, maybe just tweaking the keywords, what is looking ranking for and stuff like that. It's phenomenal. Okay. And so I just wanted to share this with you, and I'll put a link right here on the screen. This is where you can go look at it and read all about it. You'll pay about 9 cents an article. Okay. And then you'll add a picture on that. So, I mean, I think it's about 25 to 30 cents, let's say, with an image, with it generating the images, okay? And so it does it multiple languages and stuff like that, so you can see this landing page here. But I just want to kind of share this with you because, blogging is a long-term strategy, in my opinion. No, Google's going nowhere. But I tell you what, over time, as you rank your articles and they get ranked on the first page of Google, okay, depending what your keyword terms are, how many people are searching for that term, what your competition is and stuff like that, you can get free organic traffic. I mean, I generate thousands of dollars every week with free organic traffic. And now this particular plugin, or I shouldn't say plugin, it's not a plugin, this particular tool that runs in Google Sheets is going to allow me to write hundreds and hundreds of articles and have them scheduled to be posted every single day. I could probably spend one day and write a couple hundred articles, and that will take care of a half a year, okay, on my site and on one of my sites. So the other thing is it's in Google Sheets. So if you close your browser, your computer, it keeps building itself, building all the articles in Google Sheets. So when you load it back, open that sheet back up again, it'll show you where the progress is at. So, that's really pretty cool because you don't have to worry about, you can walk away from your computer, you can go to sleep, you can come back in the morning, and they're all done. Okay. And so it's really, I'm pretty excited about this. I want to make a video here to share it with you and go check it out and see what you think. Thank you.